The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
Welcome, my friend. Have you been taught that the only way to get ahead is to step on other people? Did you know that you can actually get ahead in your career and your life by helping and being kind to others? I want to teach you 5 ways to grow your net worth in 2025 by becoming a better person and by valuing people over your profits. I know that might seem like a stretch to you right now, but by the end of this video, you are going to realize how practical this philosophy actually is.
Go ahead. Make my day.
When I was a young teen growing up in Brooklyn, New York, I was exposed to all kinds of evils in the city. I was truly for the streets. It had me at a very young age. All my friends and I ever focused on was smoking, drinking, getting money, or chasing after girls. We wanted to either be ballers, rappers, or drug dealers. That pretty much was it. That was our mindset. Get rich or die trying. And we really didn't care who we had to hurt, rob, or steal to do it. And guess what? The media and the culture played a large role in how we thought. Even now, I thank God for saving me from myself and the future life I was creating. I believe to this day that it was only by the grace of God that I was saved from becoming a statistic, and I became a son of the one true living God, one of His anointed ones. I was able to change my life around, and I never looked back. And guess what? You can do it too, by learning the simple framework of 5 principles that will help you grow and protect everything of value in your life by becoming a better version of you in 2025 and beyond.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Let's go ahead and break it down. The first principle in this framework you need to know is identity, or who you are. Knowing yourself is the first step to real growth. What makes you unique? What are your strengths? What do you value most? When you understand these things, you can make choices that match the best version of yourself. To know yourself, you must sacrifice the illusion of who you think you are. This was said by Jordan Peterson. This year, you need to get real with yourself. What are you naturally good at? What kind of person do you want to be? Take the time to write down your strengths and core values. Knowing who you are helps you make better choices in business and in your personal life.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
The second principle in this framework you need to know is purpose, or why you are here. Clarify your life's mission and understand the impact you want to have on the world. Purpose drives your actions and decisions. What drives you? What positive change do you want to create? Having a purpose gives your life direction. It helps you focus on making a difference instead of just making money.
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
The 2 most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. This was a quote by Mark Twain. Ask yourself, why do you get out of bed every morning? What impact do you want to make? Remember, your purpose gives meaning to your work and keeps you motivated beyond money. The third principle in this framework you need to know is ability, or what you can do. Recognize your natural born abilities. Invest in your personal development to sharpen those abilities and maximize your potential. You have talents, skills that make you valuable. Keep learning and growing them. The better you become, the more you can help others and grow your net worth. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." Identify your top skills and talents, then level them up. Take a course, read a book, practice more often. The more valuable you become, the more opportunities you'll create.
If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money, but what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
The fourth principle in this framework you need to know is source, or where you are from. Learn to embrace your roots, experiences, and background. These elements shape your perspective and provide strength for your journey. Your background, past experiences, and upbringing have shaped you for better or worse. Embrace them. Your story gives you wisdom, lessons, and strength for the future. Maya Angelou once said, "You can't know where you're going until you know where you've been." The source is also deeper than your past. It is also the origin of your very existence, meaning that your source comes from something much greater and older than yourself. Take the time to reflect on your background, your family, culture, your struggles, and wins. These experiences made you who you are. Use them as fuel to keep pushing forward, not excuses to stay stuck. Also, take the time to discover, meditate, and reflect on the source of all humanity.
It's like no matter how bad things get, there's something good out there, just over the horizon.
The fifth principle in this framework you need to know is vision, or where you are going. You must learn to clearly define your future aspirations. Having a vision keeps you focused and motivated on your path to success. Picture your ideal future. Where do you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, right? What is it that you wish to build? Set goals and keep your eyes on that vision. It will keep you motivated when challenges arise. Helen Keller once said, "The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision." Write your visions down and revisit them often to stay focused. Set specific goals for your career, family, business, relationships, and your personal growth.
It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me.
Okay, here's a thought I would like you to reflect on. How can embracing your identity, purpose, abilities, source, and vision empower you to make a positive impact on your life and the lives of others? Here are some key takeaways. Understanding your identity, purpose, and abilities can unlock great personal growth. Staying connected to your source provides strength and guidance. A clear vision keeps you motivated and focused on long-term success. When you grow as a person, your success grows too. Make 2025 the year you invest in yourself and watch your network and your net worth follow. Let me know in the comment section if this information was high level or not. Watch this next video where I break down 6 areas you need to develop in order to survive and thrive in the next 4 years of Donald Trump's presidency. Till next time.
You is smart, you is kind, you is important.
Level up.